Today I'm going to show you how to use Select to Speak to read a passage to you. So this is a page out of Romeo and Juliet. I'm in Sora. It is an ebook online. I'm going to go down here to what I call the oval, and somewhere in the blank spot I'm going to click. And above accessibility, there's a little icon. I click on it. The second one down says Select to Speak. I click next to it. I see the little blue mark here. I know that it's activated, and I see the icon down there below. I will click somewhere else to get rid of the menu. I will click on this little icon here and it will change. Now I can highlight a passage and it will read it to me.
Romeo and Juliet. Exit. Romeo. How well my comfort is revived by this. Friar. Go hence, good night. And here stands all your state, either be gone before the watch be set, or by the break of day disceased from hence. Sojourn in Mantua, I'll find out your man, and he shall signify from time to time every good hap to you that chances here. Give me thy hand, 'tis late, farewell, good night.
Okay, now we'll read whatever you highlight. If you highlight to the bottom of the column, it will read the last sentence and it'll continue on that last sentence on the next page, but then you would have to highlight the second column over here to have it continue reading. Now read exactly what you want it to read, but it won't read continuously, but you have the control of what it actually will read, where with some screen readers will just read everything. So this is actually good. Now there's also settings for this. If I click here, I can go to the accessibility menu again, and there's a gear up here showing the settings for the accessibility menu. And if I go down slightly more, open Select and Speak settings, which is right there, I could obviously change the background color and how it's highlighted, but most people would probably want to go into here because I can change the speed and also the pitch to make the voice sound a little more human or to be louder. I can also hit play and I can test out that speed that I just adjusted it to or how loud it is to see what it'd be like without actually having to go out of the settings and come back again. And then obviously if you want a different dialect or a different language, you can also adjust that in the settings here. Now I'm going to X out of the settings for a second. I'm going to go back into the accessibility menu. And you can leave this checked and you can use it all the time. And if you don't want to use it all the time, you can just simply click on it and turn it off and it will go back to the way it was beforehand. This is on all the Chromebooks in the settings in the oval. So all the Chromebooks would have this under accessibility. They would have Select to Speak if you want to use it.